Never throw away a broken plastic bucket again, because there's a secret you might not have known about how to fix it. The secret I'm about to share is very simple, but the results will amaze you with a small discovery that many people often overlook. Have you ever felt frustrated when your favorite plastic bucket suddenly cracks or leaks? Most people immediately think the only solution is to throw it away and buy a new one. However, with a little creativity and a few simple tricks, a broken plastic bucket can be restored to its original strength and usability. This method not only saves money, but also helps reduce plastic waste around us. In this video, I'll show you for a cracked or leaking plastic bucket using readily available household materials. First of all, we clean this plastic bucket because this is a plastic bucket that has been thrown away and is usually dirty, dusty, or even muddy. Look at this. It's a truly broken bucket. The crack is quite large, and it's clear that water would immediately pour out if it were used. Okay, the first step is to tape the inside of this bucket. Cover any cracks or breaks neatly with duct tape from the inside. This will temporarily seal the gap, allowing us to repair it from the outside. Next, use a tablespoon. First, heat the spoon by burning it until it's hot enough. Then, gently rub it on the leaking or cracked surface of the bucket. The heat from the spoon will slightly melt the plastic around the crack, allowing the two sides to reattach. Doti slowly smoothing the crack alok lak pipis riat. This is a highly effective method for reattaching the plastic without using any glue at all. To make it safer to use, we should first wrap the spoon that we have heated with duct tape or cloth on the handle. The goal is to protect your hands from the heat of the spoon directly. Wrapping the handle with duct tape or cloth allows you to hold the spoon more comfortably and securely while repairing the bucket. Furthermore, this method helps you control the spoon's movements more steadily when touching and smoothing the cracked plastic, resulting in a neater and stronger bonding process. Next, let's heat the spoon. You can heat it over a stovetop or other heat source until the bottom of the spoon is really hot. But remember, just enough heat, not too long, as the spoon doesn't change color or get too hot. Once the spoon is hot enough, we're ready to use it to touch and smooth out the cracked plastic part of the bucket. The heat from the spoon will help soften the plastic, allowing the broken pieces to reattach more firmly. Perform this step carefully to ensure a safe repair and optimal results. After that, continue the process in the same way on the other part of the crack. Reheat the spoon once it has cooled, then gently apply it to the crack line, smoothing it out little by little. Work slowly and follow the crack path to ensure the plastic fuses properly. Don't rush, because the more thorough the process, the stronger the repair will be. Repeat this step until all leaks or cracks are completely repaired. With this simple method, the plastic bucket that once seemed unusable will slowly reattach itself and become stronger again. Then, continue the process in the same manner on all visible parts of the crack. Reheat the spoon once it's cooled down, then gently place it on the crack, pressing and moving it slightly. This will allow the broken plastic to melt and reattach to the surrounding area. Working his following crimes from a result. If any small gaps are still visible, you can repeat this process one more time until they're completely closed. With this simple method, we're essentially manually welding the plastic, making the previously leaking bucket tight and more sturdy for reuse. Also, pay attention when sliding the hot spoon over the plastic. Try to follow the direction of the crack. This is important so the melted plastic can properly seal the gap and not widen the damage. If there are any small holes, you can reheat the spoon and press gently until the gap is completely closed. Don't press too hard. Just gently until the plastic begins to soften and bond together. At bit, which previously looked badly damaged, starting to come back together. The previously open cracks are now slowly closing, and the surface is becoming more solid. This is a simple trick that many people don't know about, but it's incredibly useful for repairing plastic items at home without using glue or other additives. This step does require patience, as our goal isn't just to seal the crack, but also to smooth out the surface to make it appear smoother and stronger. This smoothing process typically takes about 3 to 5 minutes, depending on the extent of the break. The more thorough you are, the better the final result will be. If after you've tidied up the area, there are still small holes that haven't been completely covered, you can use duct tape to help. To do this, apply the duct tape to the remaining holes and smooth them out to cover the gaps. Then, reheat the spoon as before, then gently place it over the previously taped surface. The heat from the spoon will make the duct tape adhere more firmly to the plastic surface and help seal the hole more securely. Do this carefully, smoothing it out little by little for a neater and stronger finish. This will seal any remaining holes securely, preventing the plastic bucket from leaking when used. Once the duct tape has heated and begun to adhere well to the surface of the bucket, you can smooth it out again using the bottom of a still hot spoon. Press gently while moving it little by little so that the duct tape completely fuses with the surrounding plastic. At tisdagen, you need to be careful to avoid a main ignorant. Once the spoon has started to cool, reheat it and continue smoothing until the previously punctured area is completely sealed. And now this plastic bucket is ready to be reused. Initially considered useless, it can now be reused with just a few simple steps. So from now on, before we plastic first, who knows? It might still be possible to repair it with a simple trick like the one we've shown. Now this plastic bucket is ready to be reused. We filled it with water to ensure the repair was tight. The result is no more leaks. It turns out a bucket that was almost thrown away can be reused with this simple trick. Thanks for watching!